Welcome. If you're concerned about your privacy and want to stop Facebook from accessing your call logs, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable call logs access for the Facebook app on your phone. It's a quick process, and you'll have more control over your personal information in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you can manage all of your apps and their permissions. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your device, this section might also be called App Management. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, find the Facebook app in the list. You can scroll or use the search bar to locate it quickly. Once you find Facebook, tap on it to open its settings. Now, look for the Permissions option and tap on it. This section shows you all the types of data Facebook can access on your device, such as your contacts, camera, microphone, and more. Find call logs in the list of permissions. Tap on call logs, and you'll see options to allow or deny access. Select Don't Allow to make sure Facebook can't access your call history. This change takes effect immediately, and Facebook will no longer be able to read or log your calls from your device. That's it. You've successfully disabled call logs access for Facebook. If you ever want to review or adjust any other permissions, you can follow these same steps. Managing app permissions is a great way to protect your privacy and limit the data that apps can collect from your phone. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends or family who might want to take control of their privacy too. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.